Meow. Meow. Alright guys, so I want to give a huge shout out today to Extreme Powerhouse for making this video happen today, for being able to come to San Diego and work with Dustin today. Extreme Powerhouse is a website that I will be linking for you guys down below. They offer parts for BMW, Porsche, all the way up to Mustangs, and you can get tunes, exhausts, and so many more different things. Link will be down below for you guys. Make sure you check it out. I'm going to be showing you today what Extreme Powerhouse has brought us today that we are going to be installing, that I'm so excited for. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you have been doing good. I hope you have been staying safe. Me and Chonkachu over here have been doing super good. I'm really excited for today's video. If you haven't already noticed, we're going to be heading to San Diego, meeting with Dustin WIlliams, and getting the Active Autowerke exhaust from Extreme Powerhouse on the M2. Guys, I've been waiting for this day for so long. I am so excited. But as for now, I'm gonna go take Chonkachu up and take some pictures with the M2 because why not? Hi, look how cute he is. Not only that I have my big Pika, but I got my cute Pikachu backpack.
You're all peeked out.
Pika, Pika, Pika.
Are you?
Yeah.
For?
Pictures with Pika in my Crocs. Crocs are the move, okay? And I got Tommy at this.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. Can I get a sheesh in the comments, please? Sheeshes, please. Give me Chonker. Why does he fit so perfect?
Ta-da!
Why does he fit so perfect? Wow. Safety first.
Yes.
My hair.
You're one odd person.
I'm not. Okay, maybe. Your socks are just weirdly in between your toes.
I hate it. I've literally got that right now on this one.
What is it?
Oh, I need to get shoes. Oh. Do you need a jacket?
It's not
Do you have a jacket?
I have a jacket. I got my teddy bear jacket.
Oh?
Got my Pikachu backpack. Unfortunately, big Pikachu can't come. That's okay. You're just cute.
The cutest.
My hair is a mess. But I'm ready. Let's go.
Here's keys to your new ride.
Woo! Winner!
Get the feeling in here, right? What are the power gains on this exhaust? Couple.
We'll
see what the butt dyno says.
Couple ponies. The butt dyno. Yeah, calculations, my butt dyno. Okay, time to get the exhaust in the car. Ugh. Aw. Little baby.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, maybe you need help now. Just a thought.
I am stubborn and I want to do it myself. Thanks. Now to bring the baby to Dustin. So, if some of y'all don't know, Dustin is a big fan of Godzilla. I wanted to get him something to say thank you. And so I went to Frank's and Sons and look what I found. Godzilla. Bam, bam. I texted Tiana asking to make sure he didn't have this. I think she was just as excited that I was getting this for him.
Same.
All right. Safety first. No, my seatbelt's stuck. Should we?
Same.
2 hours later.
We've made it here.
Arrived.
We have arrived. Oh, look at all the cars. Look at all the cars.
Hello, what's up,
Hi,
guys?
how are
How's
you?
it going?
Hello.
If you can just pull all the way back around and into the garage.
Okay. Dude, there's so many cars here. Hello.
Hello, good to see you.
I know.
Thanks for coming. I'm
Thanks
sorry you had to drive
for
all the way from
having
LA.
us. Used to come here.
Yes,
so
I know. Finally,
can't
about
complain.
time. We've tried to
But-
plan this for so long.
Dude, so long. I'm excited to be here.
What are we doing today?
We're getting the exhaust on the M2.
This is gonna be sick.
so excited.
Really cool. First time ever working on a BMW.
No way.
So don't be worried. It's gonna be great.
Oh, this. Okay, I'm leaving.
Can I open the door?
Go for it.
Oh, it's sick. This is freaking dope. So is this the exhaust right here? Let's check it out. Oh, look at this Tam. That's what I love about like Euro stuff. It's freaking bomb. This is sick, dude. Yes. Okay, let's pull this out. I need you to cue like the Heaven's Choir music. Dude, this thing is really, really nice. It's gonna be awesome. Do you have a box of like clamps?
This is all
Oh.
I was receiving.
Look at this.
I know.
German. JDM guys need to step it up here. Nice. I mean, I guess you just ready to send it? Ready to
Yeah,
start?
ready to send it.
Start it up. Let's get some exhaust clips, and then we'll do it together. I do. Oh. This would be sick.
I know.
This would be fucking loud. Send it. Let's do it. Look at this. It's already open. I thought it was gonna be freaking. Look how small this is.
I know. I was like, I didn't expect it to be this small.
There, yeah.
Got this, guys. Sand it.
Okay. There she is. Oh, weird.
I think we have one more. My arms. My arms are.
You're gonna be so sore. You're gonna be like, go to wash your hair. It's not even like.
You're like.
Here she comes. Okay. Actually, what am I? What is your job?
Oh, I thought I got away with nothing.
Oh, this is
I like your stance.
the power stance.
It's the power stance. Guys, it's almost done. The last little final bolts. Nicks and crannies.
It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be so good. She looks so pretty. Whoa, what is that? That's a big box.
For you guys. Voila.
Yo.
Everything for you guys. We got some stickers, some jet tags, hoodies, shirts. We got a little shop here.
When are you gonna get to this level, Natalie?
I know, I'm slacking, guys. March is coming, I promise. But the fact when you asked me, I was like, I hope he's not judging me.
No.
Because I literally go, large please. I just
Yeah.
want large.
Sounds does it too.
I live my life in big clothes.
Yeah, but I did like
Guys,
the
look at this. I need to be on this level.
shameless plug.
Shameless. Guys, make sure, shop the merch. Dustin's merch, look how cool it is.
Little Sparko.
If you haven't seen Sparko, I can't wait to meet Sparko.
Yes, you guys need to come over. That's what I'm
I
saying.
need to meet Sparko.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm nervous.
Okay. Here we go.
It's so much louder.
Open the bell.
Open her up! I want to hear it. I want to hear it roar. Oh my god. It's like music to my ears. Sheesh. Oh my god. Can you see this?
All right, what's your thoughts?
That's loud. That's big loud.
So is it what you wanted?
Everything and more, guys. It sounds so good. So that was like my main thing with like the stock exhaust was like going from having an exhaust on the Mark 7 that popped so much to then having the M2 exhaust where it was kind of like, you know, baby pops here and there. But look at me now. This is what I want. I'm so excited. She's so hot.
Boom. This thing is sick.
So, Dustin,
Killer. Killed it.
this is,
Yes.
dude, from the outside, this is so loud. It's so insane. I am ready to drive this every day now. I thought I wasn't gonna drive it as much because I got the SUV, but never mind.
I'm ready. I'm born ready. Yes! Let's go rip it. Oh, dude, it already sounds so
Dude,
good.
so different. I should have taken you for a ride before.
I know.
So you could hear how much of a difference this is.
Send it. Send it. Oh, it sounds so good. That's like perfect.
It's perfect. It's not. It's like loud, but it's not too overbearing.
Exactly. I like that. I like it because it's deep. That sounds so good. It's like the perfect tone too, because it's not like raspy or anything. It's deep.
No, it's deep.
It's super nice. Hey,
But it's
you did good. So the real question is here. Do you like this one over the Army Tricks?
Oh, way better. Way better. I like how much deeper this one is.
Yeah. I did think the Army Tricks one's like a little bit more raspy, you know?
It is.
Yeah.
Like it sounded way better than I expected, but I'm definitely glad
Yeah.
this is the one that I have.
Yeah. You get all the good pops now.
I know.
Yeah.
I have to bring you a gift, so stay in there. I'm so excited because I know the feeling of something like this. That's like me and Pokemon cards, or me and anything Pokemon. This is him.
All right.
I hope so. He's gonna love
What is it?
it. To say a big thank you. First, we have the baby.
Oh, you're paying me in Godzilla? This is great. No, this is so awesome. Look at this little guy. What is this? Oh my God, you're joking. Come here. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
You didn't have to do this.
But I had to.
Dude, this is so sick. I'm gonna open it right now. Can we open it?
Yes,
Let's go.
I've been wanting to see what it looks like for so long.
Dude, this is fucking sick. No way. I cannot believe you right now. I'm so excited for this. Oh, it looks so nice.
Oh, I think you might have. Oh, it's
Look
so
at this
cool.
thing. This is so sick. This is better than the exhaust. The title should be giving Dustin the Godzilla.
Me and Pokemon cards, okay?
Yes. Look at this. The
Can I touch
detail, yes.
Oh, whoa.
Can I touch it?
Dude, what? Thank you so much. This is so sick.
You're so welcome.
I'm so
I appreciate
happy.
you guys. It's crazy to think though, like this is like how today is, and then thinking of like the past
Dude,
of that.
yes, it's
It's
a
wild.
time capsule.
It's literally a time capsule.
Yeah.
Which one did you take, Natalie?
The Evo. I have to
Alright,
go
I'll
with
switch.
Evo, right? I want to give a huge shout out to Extreme Powerhouse. I want to thank you again for providing this exhaust to me and to also allowing, like, making this video happen today, making this collab happen. Make sure you click the link down below to see for all of your aftermarket part needs, and I will see you in the next video.
Check this. HKS everything. Look at this wastegate, dude, from like just the 2000s.
Oh my
Dude, look at this. You see this, Oscar? 10,000 original miles. Crazy, dude.
Yeah, I mean, I already came jam packed with goodies. You know?
Dude,
like,
and
HKS everything.
HKS everything from the 2000s.
With the
I mean,
good-
This is literally vintage.
dude, yeah. That's why I don't want to. That's why I don't want to like change anything. Like, except the things that I have to actually change. I am, but like, I want to try and keep it all as original as. I'm gonna take the Evo to go get Chick-fil-A, and we'll bring it back for everybody. We'll do that.
The one and only.
You like the lineup?
I do. Like, this is wild. This is a dream to me. Like, this is what I want.
You're getting there.
I know, we're slowly. I'm gonna live the Dustin dreams.
Yes.
With the Evo, the Fast and Furious Evo, which is wild to me. And dun 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 dun, Godzilla! Dustin is
Yes?
about to take me on a drive in the Evo. I'm so excited. We're gonna go get food because we're all really hungry. And he was like, why don't we just take the Evo? I'm here for that. I'm so excited.
You ready?
Start up. It's so nice. What is life?
So unfortunately, we can't get into boost because it's not tuned, but she runs and she sounds really
I would
cool.
say she runs. And if y'all didn't see Dustin's reaction on his channel when he got this running, after how long was it?
15 years.
15 years. Insane.
Pretty fucking crazy.
That's insane.
You ready?
Yes.
It's pretty heavily cam too.
I was gonna ask.
Yes.
Alright guys, so we're casually just chilling at the Chick-fil-A drive-thru.
We did it.
We're trying not to let the car die here because it's on its last leg. But you know we're here for the nuggies, okay?
It's for the experience, okay?
Exactly.
We do it for.
We have secured the bag.
Yes.
Alright, so it is the end of the day.
Shop tour.
Super success.
Yes,
and
we did so good.
now going to be having a shop tour.
Yes, before you leave, we gotta get the shop tour, right?
We need to see it. You do you.
I wish we could have taken you for this in a ride with this today.
I
But
know.
that just means you gotta come back.
Exactly.
So everybody, make sure Natalie comes back.
Yeah, make sure you like this video, comment if you want to see more collabs with Dustin.
It'll be so much fun.
Dude, yes.
So this is the 570. This is the Attack 570. I built it for racing. So we got the AP Racing Big Brake upgrade, full titanium exhaust tune, really, really sick. Let's go over here. This is Tiana's build.
Oh, I'm so excited for this
Everybody's
one.
always asking about this one. The engine's at the machine shop getting built, so we're just waiting on that. It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be such a good build.
Yes, and here is
Woo!
this is my Godzilla.
This is your Godzilla.
Yes, so this is the R35 in Millennium Jade. This is like, I guess, special GTR color. It only came on the M-Spec era, on the R34 in Japan.
I did not know that.
Yeah, so it's like a really cool, like special OEM color.
That is so cool.
Yes, okay.
I love the
And
wheels.
We have my R32 GTR.
Ooh.
Which this is going to be my race car. So check this out. We have the single turbo build going on in here. Pretty freaking sick.
Look at that.
This thing's gonna be wild. We're just waiting on wiring for that.
Dude, wiring sucks.
Wiring blows. Next up, we have the Spoon S2000. So this is a full Spoon Japan kit. Spoon everything on the car. It's been authenticated by Spoon. It's really cool. This is what I competed in Global Time Attack with.
That's so cool.
Super sick. And here's our Fast and Furious Remake 350Z.
Woo!
We actually just gave it away.
Oh yeah, that is
Yes.
so cool. The fact that you guys do that and offer that, like,
Yeah.
so wholesome. I want to be there one day to be
Yeah.
able to do something like this.
Yeah, so we the winner comes and gets it on May 8th. So it's going away pretty soon.
They're gonna be so excited with their new car.
I know, right? It's so dope. That's underglow and everything. It's so cool.
It's got underglow.
It's so good. Last but not least, you guys
Woo!
already know the Tokyo Drift Evo.
You can never leave this out. Look at this baby.
We're missing a couple, but this is basically it.
But this is the collection we can see so far.
Yes.
Dreams, guys.
One day Natalie's gonna be here.
One day this.
Tell Natalie to enter into the JDM car world.
Yes.
Okay.
I know.
JDM car.
Everyone says. Everyone's like, when are you gonna do JDM?
Yes, that's what you need.
Just look at this.